I want to keep exploring. This is how white people die in movies.
My name's Amanda. Welcome to my channel where I do whatever the fuck I want. What was that?
Hey guys! So I'm with my mom, with Johandra. We're going to a supermarket right now to buy alcohol. What? Alcohol? No, we're not. Just kidding. We live in Mexico. That's why we can do that. For some reason, we're at the same hotel that we stayed at for our prom. It's kind of ratchet. It's kind of ghetto, and I think it's haunted, to be honest.
Dark and ugly.
Yesterday, the elevator closed on us, so that was fun.
So here's our homemade breakfast that we made right there in that kitchen right there. Cut to commercials.
I know I don't usually do these. I designed and made my own merch.
Literally amazing.
So if you like my face, I appreciate you. Thank you for liking my face.
Cop my merch.
If you want to, you don't have to, but like, I really appreciate it if you do. Because like, these are low-key like fire. Like, these are things that like I would wear. If you want to, just call my merch. Look.
The link.
Bread. Y'all can eat now. Go ahead. Bread, bacon, eggs that have no salt and they taste like, I haven't tasted them, so I'm not gonna say shit. Mayo. Okay, bye. You're welcome. Don't pop it, bitch.
I'm almost there.
Let's talk about how we came to the beach in Miami and it's fucking cold.
In Miami.
I said in Miami, like as if I don't fucking live here.
Yeah, but like, Miami never is cold.
It's not supposed to be cold and it's cold.
Who said I don't know how to fly?
Bitch, break him and I'll break you. This is the hotel. As you can see, it's pretty fucking creepy. I mean, the apartment, the carpet is just bad. Like, it's a whole new world in there. It's so ugly. Wait, can you guys race for the vlog? The beach is nice, the room is nice, the beach is nice, the kitchen's nice, everything, look, the bathroom is nice, look at the bathroom, and my mom. Now look at this bullshit, look at this.
Maybe you don't want to show that.
No, I do want to show that, of course I want to show that. That's where you get killed.
We're locked out.
So I'm just suiting up right now. We're about to get in the pool. Look at the pool. I got you, bitch. I gotta make sure not to burn, but I also want a little bit of color, so not putting too much. Just a little. Life hack.
No. No lo haga.
The following clip is for Spanish speakers only. If you don't speak Spanish, fuck off or enjoy.
Ahora me arrepiento. De haber conocido fue todo un error. El error más grande de mi vida. Y de la tuya también. Te fuiste sola. Pero tú me empujaste. Por mirarte y me la cerraste. Porque tenía otra. ¡Qué descarada eres! En mi cara me lo dices. Porque soy yo el hombre que me fue infiel.
My mom is sleepy. She's taking a little nap. Johandra's watching a show. We're taking a little nap because we just rode bikes for a long time. I'm not sleeping. I'm just chilling. You're lucky, bitch. I was going to bite your finger. Stupid.
See you later.
And then Johandra's little bitch ass asked me to sleep her to sleep. What? Johandra's little bitch ass asked me to sing her to sleep. Na 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 nita na 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 nita na 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 nita. No, A B C D E F G. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are up above The sky so blue. Good. Na 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 na. My eyelashes, bitch. Did you forget I'm fucking wearing eyelashes? Stop. You better not push me off this bed, bro. I will punch the shit out of you. You better not. Yonder, yo no me... Okay, my mom told us to shut up, so stop. Good night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So we're going back to the beach.
Yellow, blue, white. Look at the beach, by the way.
We're at the beach, bitch.
We're in the pool right now. I'm really risky putting my phone this close to the water, but it's fine by me. Guys, I think somebody recognizes me, so I'm gonna put the phone down. They won't come say hi to me, but they've been following me all day, so I don't know, man. Just come say hi, honestly. Okay, I'm swimming. Okay. I look like a boy in an old movie. Look, I look like my name is Jake. You look like your name is Chad. Guys, the lady that I think knows me is right there. This one right here. I think she knows me. I'll keep recording and I'll keep you guys aware of my situation. I could just be obsessed with myself and wrong. You know, I could be definitely wrong. Woo! This is how I swim. Oh no, I think my eyelash is falling off. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I just saw your whole titty. Oh, hey, look, I have titties. Look at this. Okay, let's make my boyfriend appear. Okay, Titanic. No, not like this. That's just wrong. So this is our food. I got my pizza. Ham, pie, Hawaiian pizza. If you don't like Hawaiian pizza, I don't want to talk to you. I'm eating my boyfriend's fries. My boyfriend got burgers, fries. My mom got beer, alcoholic. And that's it. So now we're gonna eat. So bye, bitch. Jondra didn't like her burger, so she asked if she could change it for a pizza. Why didn't you like the burger?
It was too dry and big for no reason.
So someone told me that this hotel's haunted on the 6th floor. So wherever that is, fuck that shit. We're just like exploring the hotel, and literally it's empty, but there's music coming from that way, and it's weird as shit. Jonda's just eating her pizza.
No.
Oh my god.
Mira, coño. I'm not with these kids. Yo me voy.
You are with these kids. You birthed one of them.
Mira la otra también. Yo voy a ver cómo esa narga va a
Randy,
salir por
why are you
ahí.
touching other girls? She brings her pizza now. How about you, Johandra? I believe in you. If she gets stuck there, she'll cry. You got it, beach. You got it, beach. You got it, beach. I'm black. She said, I know how to jump over shit. I just checked the fuck out of Johandra. So this is like an abandoned part of the hotel, I'm guessing. This is fucking creepy. Oh my god, stop! What the fuck? Can you... What's in there? Stop. Jonda's just eating pizza. I don't like this. But I want to keep exploring. This is how white people die in movies. That area right there is creepy. What the fuck?
Let's go that way though.
Yeah, let's go that way. I don't like this. It's big. Wow. That's what she lied about. We thought this hotel was empty and that no one was there, but some guy came and scared the fuck out of Johandra. Oh my god. Did you try to open that door? Johandra, your pizza. Johandra ran away and she fell with her pizza. I can't believe you dropped the whole pizza, bitch. In case you didn't know, that's an elevator. My eye itches. Am I tripping or did I see something in the reflection?
Oh, what the fuck?
What? Johandra is me in every social situation. Right now we're walking back to the hotel. Johandra has her fucking box of pizza. What the fuck? Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Get the key. What the fuck? Johandra, open the door. We're back in the hotel. I don't know what the fuck that was, but I'm gonna try to find out here. Why are you in bed with my best friend? Why are you touching her? Push her off, babe. Push her off. Push her off. Damn.
Her boyfriend's a cop. He's gonna see your shit. Where you trying to go at?
I haven't even done anything yet. Let me do something first.
That shit's not happening.
With the whale?
No. No.
We're leaving today. Today's the last day. We're finally leaving this haunted ass shit. Me and Johandra just standing here, just chilling. And then that guy over there is just touching his dick. Love that. Fix your boob, please. Because you already had a nip slip once in my video. I gave those kids over there my vagina. I was gonna say my vagina. But I gave them my whale, so I hope they enjoy. I hope they enjoy my vagina. Let's go to the pool. Oh my god. I look like I'm a sick fuck. I like a quick book. I'm a sick fuck. I like a quick book. Random scenes of the day. What do you want?
There are many different types of bread.
We're going home.
This video was inspired by David Dobrik and Hannah Montana, so leave me alone.